It's late, your apartment's quiet, just the hum of the fridge in the corner. You're on the couch, phone in hand, screen glowing against the dark. You sent her a message, maybe your best one yet, poured out your thoughts, maybe even a piece of your heart. And now, nothing, just silence. You're staring at the chat. Those 3 dots never show up. Your mind's racing, replaying every word, every moment, wondering where it went wrong. Was it something you said? Something you didn't say? You've been here before, haven't you? That moment when you gave everything and got nothing back. Your thumb hovers over the keyboard, itching to send another text, to fix it, to make her see you. But what if doing nothing is the strongest move you've got? What if silence is your way of taking back control? This isn't about her, it's about you. If this feels familiar, leave a quiet sign below. Not for me, but for someone else who needs to stop and breathe. You're still holding that phone, aren't you? The screen's gone dark, but your mind hasn't. It's loud in there, thoughts crashing like waves. You're thinking about her, what she's doing, who she's with. You're thinking about you, what you could have done better, where you fell short. That sting, it's real. Rejection doesn't just hurt, it burns. It's a knot in your stomach, a weight on your chest, a voice in your head that won't shut up. You want to fix it, to make it right, to get her to see what she's missing. So you start typing, "Hey, just checking in." Or maybe you call, leave a voicemail, hope she'll hear your voice and remember. You're chasing, aren't you? Chasing her attention, her approval, a sign that you're still worth something. But every message you send, every call you make, it takes a piece of your calm. It pulls you deeper into that cycle of doubt, of need, of waiting. You've done this before, and where did it get you? More silence, but not the kind you control. Stoicism tells us something simple. Control what you can, let go of what you can't. You can't control her, her thoughts, her choices, her silence. But you can control you, your actions, your response. Right now, your instinct is to react, to fill the void, to make the pain stop. But reacting, chasing, it only makes the void louder. What if, instead of running toward her, you walked toward you? What if you chose silence, not as a game, but as a shield? Not to hurt her, but to protect you. Think about it. Every time you've chased, what did you lose? Your time, your energy, your peace. And what did you gain? More questions, more doute, more noise. This time, try something different. Put the phone down, let the screen stay dark, let the silence settle. It's hard, isn't it? That urge to reach out, it's like an itch you can't scratch. But every second you resist, you're building something. Not for her, but for you. You're building control, strength, the kind of calm that doesn't bend. This isn't about winning her back, it's about winning you back. So breathe, let the silence do its work, and see what happens next. You're a few days in now, maybe a week. The phones scatter, no new messages sent, no calls made. It feels strange, doesn't it? Like you're holding your breath, waiting for something to break. Your mind's still loud, but it's different now. You're not just thinking about her, you're thinking about you. What you want, what you need, what you've been ignoring. Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers, if you listen. At first, it's uncomfortable, like sitting in a room with no sound. You're used to the noise, the texts, the waiting, the hoping. But this quiet, it's teaching you something. It's showing you don't need her to feel whole. You don't need her to see your worth, to know it's there. Stoicism says, your value isn't in someone else's hands. It's in your hands, in what you choose, in how you carry yourself. Right now, you're choosing silence, and that's a choice most men don't make. Most men chase, they plead, they try to prove something. But you're standing still, and there's power in that. You're not running after someone who turned away. You're walking towards something better. Maybe it's a morning run, maybe it's a book you've been meaning to read. Maybe it's just sitting with a coffee, no phone, no noise, just you. These moments, they're small, but they're yours. And every one of them is a step away from the chaos. You're not waiting for her to notice. You're noticing you, your strength, your calm, your ability to let go. This is what silence does. It clears the fog. It shows you what matters. And what matters is the man you're becoming. Not the man she sees, but the man you see. So keep going, stay quiet, stay steady. The silence isn't just for her, it's for you. Over there, in her world, things are moving along. She's not thinking about you, not yet. She's busy, distracted, feeling free. No more text from you, no more calls, no more effort. To her, it's a relief at first. She tells herself, this is what I wanted. Space, freedom. She's out with friends, posting on social media, smiling for the camera. On the surface, everything's fine, maybe even better. She's convinced herself. She doesn't need you. She never did. Your name doesn't cross her mind. Not in the daylight, not in the noise. She's used to you being there, always trying. So, your silence, it doesn't register, not yet. It's like a shadow she hasn't noticed, a gap she hasn't felt. She assumes, you'll come back. You always do. A text, a call, hey, how's it going? She's waiting for it, without even knowing. And when it doesn't come, she doesn't flinch, not at first. Life's too loud, too full, too fast. She's got plans, people, distractions. She's not missing you. She's not even thinking about you. And that's the hardest part, isn't it? Seeing her move on, seeing her happy, without you. It feels like a punch, like everything you gave meant nothing. Your instinct, it's screaming at you, do something, say something, make her see. But Stoicism whispers, her world isn't your world. You can't control her thoughts, her actions, her indifference. You can only control you, your silence, your peace. Right now, her freedom, it's not your burden. Her smiles, her posts, her life, they're not your story. Your story is here, in the quiet, in the calm you're building. So let her be, let her live, let her think she's won. Because your silence, it's not about her, it's about you. It's about the man who doesn't chase, doesn't beg, doesn't break. Keep your eyes on that man, not on her. The shadow's growing, even if she doesn't see it yet. Days pass, maybe weeks. You're still silent, still steady, still you. The urge to reach out, it's there, but it's quieter now. You're finding your rhythm, small habits, small wins. A morning walk, no phone, just the sound of your steps. A book you're halfway through, pages marked, ideas sticking. A workout, not for her, not for anyone, just for you. These moments, they're stacking, building something solid. You're not overthinking as much, not reacting as fast. The noise in your head, it's fading, just a little. You're starting to see it, aren't you? Your worth, it's not in her hands, it's in yours. Stoicism says, focus on what lasts. Your thoughts, your actions, your growth. Her indifference, it doesn't last, it can't. And over there, in her world, something's shifting. It's small, so small, she might not even notice. No good morning text, no check-in, no sign of you. At first, she brushed it off. He'll be back, he always is. But now, the days are piling up, and you're not there. She's scrolling her phone, out of habit, expecting your name. It's not there, and that feels different. Not bad, not yet, just different. She's out with friends, laughing, posting, keeping busy. But in the quiet moments, when the noise dies down, she feels it. A gap, a space, something missing. She won't say it, not to herself, not to anyone. But it's there, like a note she can't quite place. Your silence, it's starting to speak, softly. But it's there. It's not loud, not dramatic, just a whisper in the background. And that whisper, it's growing. With every day, you stay quiet. You're not doing this to hurt her. You're doing it to heal you. Her world, it's not your concern. Not anymore. Your world, it's right here. In the steps you're taking. In the calm you're finding. So keep going, don't look back, don't break the silence. It's working. Even if you can't see it yet, more time passes, and the gap in her world, it's not so small anymore. She's still busy, still smiling, still moving. But the quiet moments, they're louder now. She's alone, maybe late at night, phone in hand, no notifications. She scrolls back, finds an old message from you, pauses. It's just a text, nothing special, but it hits different now. She remembers the way you checked in, the way you listened, the way you cared. She didn't see it then, didn't value it, didn't think it mattered. But now, with you gone, it's starting to sink in. Your silence. It's not just a gap, it's a mirror. It's showing her what she had, what she let go. She might try to fill it. With friends, with noise, with someone new. A date, a conversation, a fleeting spark. It feels good, for a moment, like she's moving on. But then it fades, and she's back in the quiet, with that same empty note. She's comparing without meaning to. The new guy, he doesn't get her, not like you did. He doesn't notice the small things, doesn't remember, doesn't care. It's subtle, but it's there, and it's growing. She's starting to see you weren't just another guy, you were you. And you're not there anymore. Stoicism reminds us, we don't control others, only ourselves. Her realization, her unease, it's not your job to fix. Your job is to keep building, keep growing, keep choosing you. Right now, you're stronger than you were, steadier, clearer. You're not chasing shadows. You're standing in your own light. And that light, it's brighter than you think. Her world, it's getting colder, emptier, without you. But your world, it's warming up, filling with purpose, with peace. Don't break the silence. Don't dim that light. You're not waiting for her. You're walking forward, for you. Weeks turn into months, and her unease, it's not quiet anymore. It's a weight, a constant hum, something she can't ignore. She's tried everything. Nights out, new people, new plans. But the void, it's still there, and it's got your name on it. She's thinking about you, more than she wants to admit. Wondering where you are, what you're doing, if you've moved on. She might even check your socials, just a glance, just to see. No posts, no stories, just silence. And that hits harder than anything. She's starting to question, did I mess up? Did I let go of something real? The life she thought she wanted, without you, it's not what she thought. It's lonelier, colder, less steady. She might reach out, a text, a, hey, how's it going? Testing the waters, hoping you'll bite. But you're not biting, are you? You've come too far, built too much, to go back. Stoicism says, let go of what pulls you down. Her regret, it's hers, not yours. You're not here to fix her, you're here to fix you. And you're doing it every day, with every silent moment. You're not the guy who chased, who begged, who waited. You're the guy who chose himself, who found his calm, who knows his worth. Her text, it might feel good for a second, like validation. But validation, it's not what you need, not anymore. You need you, your peace, your strength. So let her text it, let her wonder, let her feel the weight. Your silence, it's not a weapon, it's a boundary. And that boundary, it's keeping you whole. By now, you're different, aren't you? The noise in your head, it's quieter, almost gone. You're not checking your phone every hour, not wondering what she's doing. You're living, really living, for you. A morning run, sweat dripping, heart steady. A book on your nightstand, pages worn, ideas sinking in. A conversation with a friend, no agenda, just real. These moments, they're not for show, they're for you. You're building something solid, something hers can't touch. Stoicism taught you, focus on what lasts. Your mind, your actions, your peace. Her regret, her texts, her realizations, they don't last. But this man you're becoming, he does. You're not perfect, you don't need to be. You're just you, and that's enough. You didn't chase, you didn't react, you didn't break. You chose silence, and it chose you back. It gave you clarity, strength, a way to see yourself clearly. You're not waiting for her, you're not waiting for anyone. You're moving forward, one steady step at a time. And that's your power. Her world, it's not your story anymore. But let's look at it one last time. She's sitting there, phone in hand, your name on the screen. She types, deletes, types again. Hey, been a while, how are you? She hits, send, waits, hopes. But you're not there, not like before. Your silence, it's not just a choice now, it's a life. She's feeling it, the full weight of what she lost. Not just a guy, but you, the one who saw her, who cared, who stayed. She's replaying it all, the moment she brushed off, the chances she missed. Regret, it's heavy, isn't it? It's not loud, not dramatic, just a quiet ache that won't leave. She's learning the hard way, that not everyone stays, that not everyone waits, not even you. But her lesson, it's not your victory. Your victory is the man you see in the mirror, the one who didn't bend, didn't break, didn't chase, the one who found his way through the noise, through the pain, through the silence. Stoicism says, let go of what you can't control, hold tight to what you can. You can't control her regret, her choices, her heart, but you can control you, your calm, your path. And you are, every day, every quiet moment. So where do you go from here? You keep going, simple as that. Tomorrow, when the world pulls at you, when the noise creeps in, pause. Breathe, let it pass. Choose you. Your silence, it's not a tactic, it's a way of living. It's saying, I know my worth, and I won't settle for less. You don't need her text, her approval, her regret. You need you, your strength, your peace. And you've got it, right here, right now. This journey, it wasn't about her. It was about you. About finding your calm, your clarity, your power. So keep walking, keep building, keep choosing silence. And if this spoke to you, share it quietly. Not for views, not for me, but for someone who needs to hear it. Someone who needs to pause, to breathe, to find their way back. Your silence, it's not just yours, it's theirs too. Keep going, one steady step at a time.